Let's talk about data. Imagine you have a place where you can upload your data, transform it, and to share with the team, all in the cloud in a fast and cheap way. Today we're going to talk about the data cloud. What is it? How it works? And should you consider change your information to the data cloud? Okay, let's begin. First, the data cloud concept is now being boomed by Google since they just introduced the data cloud services in the new Google I/O 21. But okay, this is not a new thing. Okay, let's figure this out. First, what is the data cloud? The data cloud is a concept where you can change from having a regular flow of your data from data in your SQL Server or your MySQL or MongoDB or whatever to a data warehouse in the cloud. But different from the regular database where you're consuming resources all the time, the data cloud computes only for the time that you need it. And you're spending the money that you need only to load that data or to share the data with the people. And how it worked? Well, first, you're using in this case, the Google or AWS or Snowflake's services to primarily upload your data from whatever source you want. Secondly, to transform the data in whatever way you need. And third, to load the data and share it with the team. This could be helpful if you want to analyze the data, if you're a data engineer, a data scientist, a data analyst, or BI analyst. So you can, at the end, share the data with the stakeholders, the business side, or whoever is involved. For instance, suppliers or a customer. The data clouds allow you to transform the data to a single source without avoiding duplicity of your data, consuming a lot of resources that you currently do probably in your business, and extract information from whatever resource you want. So, should you use data cloud or should your business or your enterprise move to a data cloud right now? Is this the right moment? Well, first, you have to evaluate. If you're a small business or let's say a big enterprise, that you have a complex data flow and you have a lot of rules already defined and you don't have any problem with your current setup, I think you should be fine for now. What Data Cloud is trying to avoid is reduce the complexity of having duplicated information in your databases and giving you the opportunity to know who is using the data and when, because you can measure and see the performance of your queries and allow people to to have access to only the portion of data that they need. So this is a big change. Secondly, most importantly, consider the costs you currently have in your company, then evaluate it with the costs you will have with a data cloud such as Google, and see if this is cheaper and if this is better for your company. So we just see what is data cloud in 5 minutes. I hope this helped you. Stay tuned because we're going to load more videos about how Snowflake works and how data cloud with Google is working right now. This is brand new. Please stay tuned and follow us for more. Thank you.